Hello, first graders. So today we're going to talk a little bit about place value. I know that in lesson 9.1, you talked about different ways to represent a 10 and some ones. So here's a 10 frame. Today my snack was almonds, so I filled in my 10 frame with some almonds. This represents a 10. And then I have 3 extras, which 1 10 and 3 extras means 13. Another way to represent that would be to circle 10. This is 1 10. And then I have 3 extras or 3 ones for 1 10 and 3 ones. Again, makes 13. A third way that we're just now learning in first grade is a quick picture, we call it. So here is 1 10, and I'm going to show you what that represents in just a second, and then 3 ones to represent 1 10 and 3 ones, again 13. So on Monday you'll be getting these little cubes. 10 of them lined up, you can see these are separate, are the same as one of these 10 rods. So when the students get them, you want to lay them side by side to show them if they push them all together, if they pretend that they're glued together, this and this are exactly the same thing. So this is actually 13 little cubes if I lay them out, but if I lay 10 of them in a line, this is 1 10 and 3 ones for 13, or I can make 1 10 and 3 ones for 13. So you can see how this looks very much like this quick picture that we're going to draw. As our numbers get larger, it's easier to just draw a quick line for all of our 10s and a dot for all of our 1s. So let me give you another picture of what that looks like, just drawn out. So here are 3 different ways to make 13. So a couple of the pages in the math book will ask them to show some different ways to represent a number. All 3 of those ways are just different ways to write 13. They all have 1 10 and 3 ones. You'll find also that in lesson 9.3, they'll be talking about 10s, and they'll talk about different groups of bugs and different things like that. And what they're asking the kids to do is just draw 10, circle them. So 3 groups of 10, 3 10s is equal to 30. I would suggest that if your child struggles to count by 10s, there are several online videos that practice that and songs that practice that. So you could check again on YouTube, and I'll look and see if I find a really good one, and I might send the link to that as well. Counting by 10s and then switching to counting by 1s is going to be really important, especially in Module 10, which is coming up next week. So if you can finish up Module 9 today or tomorrow, and then possibly on Sunday or Monday do lesson 10.1. I'm going to send you some information about 10.1 later. We'll try to catch up with Mrs. Peterson's class, and if you're not able to do that, it's fine. You'll catch up eventually. I promise I'm not going to overload you with a lot of extra work. So there's our math lesson for today. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.